Wisdom means skill. We have to seek her. What you mean her? I'm speaking about wisdom. Wisdom is feminine, family. It's a feminine noun. Chokmah, chokmah. Wisdom is the skill. It is the knowledge applied in action. It's when we apply the knowledge. That is what skill is. That is what wisdom is. In the beginning of wisdom is the fear of Yahweh. Reshit Chokmah Yirat Yahweh. The beginning of wisdom is the fear of Yah. So the first thing we got to do is fear Yah. Reshit Chokmah Yirat Yahweh. And with skill, with wisdom, it's not fancy karate quotes, family. Wisdom is not fancy karate quotes. It's skill, the application of the knowledge. We gain skill by this gem right here. You want to know how you gain skill? The power to question. The word chokmah is a compound word. It's a compound word. It's two Hebrew words put together. The first word, chok, and ma. Chok meaning the ability or the power. Ma literally means a question. Ma means what? The power of what? The power to question. We get wisdom by asking questions. All glory to our great King.